Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Synthesia account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Synthesia login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link app.synthesia.io. Click on that link. Now guys, you'll be taken to the login page of Synthesia. Over here guys, you just need to enter your email address and click on continue with email, and guys you'll be taken to the new interface. Similarly, you just need to enter your password over there, and once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. Either you can log in with your Google account or continue with SAMLSSO account. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.